In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. We'll start right from the Google homepage. Look toward the top right of the screen for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps button. Click that to open the menu of Google Services. From there, choose Sheets. This takes you into Google Sheets where you can see your files. Open the spreadsheet you want to work in. If you're starting fresh, a blank sheet works perfectly for this demonstration. Once your spreadsheet is open, decide where you want users to pick dates. It could be a single cell, a column like A, or a specific range such as A2 to A100. Go ahead and highlight that area now so the rule we're about to create applies exactly where you need it. Next, go up to the menu bar and click Data. In the dropdown, select Data Validation. This opens the Data Validation panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see the range you selected already listed. If you need to adjust it, you can do that here, but we'll keep moving. Click Add Rule to create a new validation rule. Under the Criteria section, open the dropdown and choose Is Valid Date. This tells Google Sheets to only accept proper dates in the selected cells and, importantly, enables the calendar picker for quick selection. If you see options for handling invalid data, remember that Reject Input blocks bad entries entirely, while Show Warning allows them but flags them. Choose what fits your workflow best. When you're happy with the setup, click Done. Your rule is now active. To see it in action, double-click any cell in the range you selected. A small calendar will pop up. Use the arrows at the top of the calendar to move between months, and click a date to insert it instantly into the cell. It's fast, accurate, and avoids typing mistakes. A couple of quick tips as you work. If the dates don't display the way you expect, you can adjust their appearance later from the Format menu under Number, then Date. Also, if different people use your sheet around the world, make sure your spreadsheet locale matches the date style you want so the picker behaves consistently. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Sheets, set up a data validation rule, chosen Is Valid Date, clicked Done, and now double-clicking a cell brings up a clean, clickable calendar. This simple setup makes schedules, forms, and project timelines much easier to manage.